Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another what the hell is she doing tutorial. That's how, that's how I'm gonna name it. What the hell is she doing tutorial. Well, today's video we're actually gonna be using this palette, the BH Cosmetics Carly Bieber, whatever palette. I have had it for a long time, so if you want to see what type of look I'm gonna create it out of scratch, keep watching. I think I got this palette like a long time ago. I think like a year, 2 years ago. The reason why I brought my attention so many colors, comes with colors, comes with shimmers, it comes with bronzer, and the design. As you guys know, I love rose gold. Everything around me is rose gold. Well, except here, because a little bit. But I love rose gold, and this product actually caught my mind. And of course, it comes with a lot of mattes, a lot of shimmers, pinks, browns, dark brown. Yeah, so I think we're gonna be using some of the pinkish colors that it comes like right here. Gonna make a look, out of scratch. Like, what the hell is she doing, But let's get started. My glasses, because you guys know I can do my makeup without my glasses. And also, I already primed my lids. My face is already, done. That way I don't have to mess around with it, mirrors. But yeah, I think I'll use it. But I don't know. I think it's gonna get on the way of the camera. So I don't know. Maybe like this. Yeah. First, we're gonna be using a little bit of this brown right here to, no wait, this one. Fuck it, I'll just use both. But just to set the lid. Notice I have really small eyelids, like, and wrinkly too. But I'll do the best to do, makeup for the love of makeup. And I also prime the lids with the Lashes primer. I think I love that primer. I actually do. Okay, so one eye done. And we're gonna move into the other one. I actually started doing my videos. I'm gonna start doing my videos next to my patio because the lighting is so good. I think the best lighting right now is here. You guys can see me better. Better lighting. And also I have to do it like in the early morning because the sun sets and sets the other way. That's why I always sit over there. Alright, yeah, look at that. A little bit more just in case. And this time I won't forget to put liner and lashes. I noticed a lot of people say, oh, your eyelashes look weird. And I'm like, it's so much work. Okay. Now we're gonna move into a brown. I think I'm gonna put this one. Wait, no, not that one. This one. I need more bright brown, like a bright pink. I think I'm gonna find a bright pink. I think I'm gonna use another palette, but I'm gonna set. Oh wait, yeah, wait. Is that brown or purple? I use this dark one. I think it's brown. It looks purple to me. It is purple. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this purple ass color. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, so we just did the I don't know what the hell we did, but we did it. So now I'm gonna put some really dark brown, and I'm gonna put. Okay, because I am not finding any pink in this palette, we're gonna be moving to another palette. We're gonna be using the Ace Beauty palette because it comes with the color that I want to put in it. I had to put some concealer. I'm almost running out. Okay, so we're gonna use the color Rose, and we're gonna put it on my lids. Wow, the colors of this palette are really nice. So now we're gonna be using Poppy. I'm gonna put it right here. Damn, that's a really good palette. Ah, oh, damn it, I have my finger in one of my... Gonna use Myrtle right here. Now we're gonna be putting some liner, but it looks gonna be using the Pretty Burger liner pot that I have gotten on my boxycharm. Pretty good liner. I do really recommend this liner because it's so good. Really, really good. I think I got them together at the same time. You guys know I hate liner, but I'm doing it for the views. See how it glides really good. I just really, really hate doing liner. I don't have a steady hand. Okay, now the other eye. But sometimes this eye comes out better than this eye. I don't know why, but my eyelashes get in the way. Ah, liner done. And now, wait, I forgot to put some in the bottom. Ah, fuck it, it's okay. Now the moment of truth, we're gonna be putting some eyelashes. Gonna be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex foundation, Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm sorry, but how is this better than sex? Ah, okay. Now the moment of truth. We're gonna put some eyelashes. Wow, I can't believe how much of a difference can eyelashes make. That's amazing. I wish my eyelashes were like that. Okay, well, we're gonna finish the look using the Ofra long lasting lipstick in the color of Santorini. And we're actually done with the look. Oh my god, look how good this looks. I am not lying. Holy crap, it came out really, really, really good. Wow. Girl, who's this? New girl, who's this? New face, who's this? Well, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Comment below also what type of colors you guys want to see next. Because I know this one I was inspired by somebody else. I don't know who it was. I forgot. Or maybe it just came out of my head. It's like another, like, what the hell are you doing color. But yeah, I love this. I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures and post them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on social media. Links down below, and also check out some links that I have down below too in my description. Some discounts, sign up for boxycharm and those type of links. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.